Okay, this steam brush is awesome. I have 2 dogs. He is part lab, part husky, and then she's full lab. I love the steam brush because when it gets the hair damp, it makes it a little bit easier to come off, and then also to like stay in place. So normally when I brush him, especially, hair like flies everywhere. With this brush, it stays contained because it's a little bit damp. It has just this comb or tooth comb on it, which actually works really well for his hair. I just brushed him yesterday, so he's not as hairy and fluffy as he normally is, but I can see a bunch of the hair coming off. I do it pretty light. If you need to like get a lot of hair off, I guess you would maybe apply a little more pressure. He loves it. It's like a little spa treatment for him. And I try and get honestly all over. He has spots that are like furrier than others, but his hair is actually looking pretty good lately. So to turn it off, you just hit this power button. This is actually where you fill the water, so it unplugs and you put water in there, and then you can see the hair that comes out. And then to clean it, or to like get all this hair out, you push this button and then you grab that hair. So like, see how it literally just lifted? So it makes collecting hair so much easier, and it's not getting all over your floor or your spot. So he loves it. This brand actually sent it to me, and it's been such a good little thing that he enjoys, but then also I love that it kind of contains the mess and then is giving him a really good clean. So this thing is awesome, so simple to use, very user friendly, and also very affordable for what it is. So it is awesome.